Hey guys, so in my last video, I showed you how to use Cloudflare Tunnel in the most secure way as possible by using both Zero Trust as well as mTLS certificates so that we can access our web applications and also use our mobile applications in a very secure fashion. Now, there is a balance between security and flexibility. And if we only limit our applications to being accessible by ourselves, then we can't use some of the features that we might want to use, like share links or just easier access to other people. So in my next couple videos, including this one, I'm going to be showing you some strategies to mitigate security threats while being more flexible with the accessibility of your self-hosted applications. When using Cloudflare as your proxy or your tunnel to your applications, if you're not using Zero Trust or mTLS, there is one super easy setting, one super easy thing that you can do, which is to limit the countries of incoming IP addresses. Now, of course, that doesn't block all threats, and malicious actors can, use VPNs to change the country. But it's just a small thing you can do very quickly to at least limit some of the noise of incoming requests from other countries. And now there's also a whole lot more that you can do that I'm going to be covering in upcoming videos. But let me just go ahead and show you how to do geo-blocking on Cloudflare in the security settings. Okay, so in my last video, we set up Paperless, awesome self-hosted application behind Zero Trust. And we also set up a separate domain, Paperless API, to require mTLS certificates. So with Paperless, I want to show you just how to do some geo-blocking. I won't even mess with the Zero Trust, but I just want to show you how we can easily implement geo-blocking. First thing I want to do is just go ahead and try going to the Paperless API, and you can see right away that Chrome asks me to provide a certificate in order to access this site. So I showed you how you can do this for Android applications as well. So pretty convenient that you can just do this with mTLS. I'm going to go ahead and just hit deny. And you can see that if I try to access the site, it says that I have been blocked. Now let's try going to the Paperless domain. Okay, we'll go to paperless.thomaswelltech.com, and you can see that we have to go through Zero Trust. Now let me just go ahead, because I'm in incognito mode, I don't want to have to actually authenticate myself through Zero Trust. So let's actually just go ahead and remove our access application, delete that. Okay, and then I'm going to refresh my browser here. Okay, and now you can see I can easily get in. But obviously, just depending on who's accessing your application, the country codes for GeoIP are very accurate. And unless I really need access, you can blacklist countries or whitelist countries. So obviously the more conservative approach is to just whitelist countries. So in this case, I don't really need to share this application with anyone outside of the US. So let's go ahead and just do a whitelist rule to make sure no one can access it. So this is going to be done not in the Zero Trust settings. What you're going to do is go back to your Cloudflare home, and then you're going to choose the zone that you want to apply the security settings to. So this isn't just for Cloudflare Tunnel. It's just for using Cloudflare's proxy in general. So we're going to go to security and security rules. So you see we already have the mTLS rules that I put in there for Paperless API and Nextcloud. And so now I just want to create a rule, and we can probably actually just use a template here. Block requests by geographical location. Okay, let's go ahead and just preview that template. Okay, so in the template, we see the options for country, continent, AS, num. And what I'll do is just limit this to country. So I'm going to go ahead and exit these ones. And we're going to say if the country does not equal United States, see the expression here, then we will block. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy this rule. And that is going to be for the entire domain. Thomas Wild Tech. Now, if I wanted it to only be for a particular subdomain, I could add an additional requirement, and I can say the host name, and then I could be more explicit. Like if I wanted it to be just paperless.thomaswildtech.com, then that way I can, if I have some other subdomain that I want to be accessible outside of the country, I can do that too. So let's go ahead and save that. Okay, and then on my phone, let's go ahead and just connect to a VPN. So I'm connected into Poland now. So obviously I'm in a different country. And let me try refreshing. And you can see that I have been blocked. So super simple security tool you can implement if you're using Cloudflare. I highly recommend it. Just another little tool in your tool belt of security rules. So if you don't need IP addresses from other countries, go ahead and stop it. And if you're not using Cloudflare, you can use this on your Pangolin. You can use this on your own reverse proxy that you're self-hosting, as long as you're pulling in geo codes from IP addresses. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.